So here's how to add vertical divider in Notion. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Notion account. Once you are there, now here you have to simply click on the new page option from the left menu, or you can do it on your current page. After that, you have to click on this plus icon. Now from this menu you have to scroll down and go to the code option. Here remember one thing, that you don't have to select the divider option. Adding a vertical divider in Notion is a trick, so you have to select the code option from here. Now on your keyboard you have to simply click on the shift and enter at the same time. You have to repeat the process till your desired length of your divider. You can simply move this divider by clicking on it. So that's how to add a vertical divider in Notion.